The Youth Potion sinks in beautifully when you first put it on. It's got a really fine, silky feeling.
After a few minutes, my skin already feels brighter, lighter, more plump and full.
My skin feels like relaxed. I'm looking very radiant and glowy.
The first thing I noticed about the Youth Potion when I put it on was the aroma.
It's like you're walking through quite a fresh garden.
When I started my journey 3.5 years ago looking for a product that I could continue to use forever, I wanted something that was chemical-free, no nasties.
The wonderful thing is that you don't need too much. You can just use a small amount and it's very effective.
As soon as I put it on, it absorbs straight into my skin.
And it doesn't feel heavy or creamy or oily or anything like that.
The L22 ingredient definitely meets and exceeds my expectations.
Let's face it, who doesn't want skin that looks 22?
I think it's important to know what you're putting into your skin.
What I love about the Jojoba products is it's all natural.
I really like that it doesn't test on animals. That's a really big deal.
And it's an Australian-based company.
It does tick a lot of boxes for me as far as skincare. In fact, it ticks all the boxes really.